When the brake light on my Mazda SUV broke, first I wanted to find out if it was the light bulb that's broken or the circuit. Because when sometimes I can see that the light does come on, which was a bit confusing because initially I thought if the bulb was broken, it should be permanently dark. But when the parking light's on, the red light still goes on. So when I take a look, there's only one light bulb in there. It's not like there's two bulbs, one for brake, one for parking. But it turns out the light bulb has two filaments in it. So when it's parking, it's like a dimmer red color with through one of the thinner filament. And then when it's brake light, in the exact same light bulb, you would get a brighter red light. So anyway, so it turns out, yes, all I have to do was replace the bulb. And this part is very simple. Just access through the back. There's a little panel. You just need the flathead driver. And I find it's easier to just push and insert into the little space and pry than don't try to pull too hard. Otherwise the plastic might bend. So yeah, just insert the flathead. That seemed to work and get it out pretty easy. And then the bulb is just a quick twist and turn while pull it out. And then you can pull the glass bulb part directly off the plastic to replace it. One tip here is you can just buy it from Canadian Tire or any store. It's much cheaper. It's like $7 for two bulbs versus at the dealership, they charge $9 for one bulb. Initially, I thought maybe the dealer would offer like not just the glass part, but also the plastic housing. But no, it's the exact same thing. They just sell the glass for more dollars. Plus, the dealer's one isn't even the same as the original car one. So they're selling an off-brand bulb as well. Yeah, so no point buying this from the dealer. Hope that helps you.